Welcome. In a short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a category in YNAB. All right, so first up, log into your YNAB account or open up the phone app. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard under plans, okay, you can go ahead and hover over a category. As you can see, here we have bills, needs, wants. Okay, maybe you'd wanted to add others. So as you can see here, we have the plus sign. Okay, just click on it. Now it says here, add in a new category name. Let's say, for example, again, others. Okay, now click on OK. And once that's done, it will be added right here under wants. Okay. Now, if you want to delete it, just right click and hit on delete, or rename it right here. If you want to, just hit on OK, or hide it by just clicking on hide. All right. And if you want to add in a category group, just like these two right here. Okay. Again, if you want to add in others, just click on category group and type down others like so and hit on OK. And there you have it. You could also drag and drop it if you want to as well. That is how you create a category in YNAB. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.